Tools to detect nuclear explosions are delivered to a remote outpost in Yellowknife, Canada.
Okay, cross it.
Teams from Canada and the Comprehensive Nuclear Test Ban Treaty Organisation are upgrading seismic stations to uncover atomic blasts.
Well, we're currently at White 3. This is the broadband site. We're installing a new power supply, battery system, and new sensor.
It's a massive logistical effort. Around 60 tonne of equipment must be flown in to 20 different sites. Together they create an array, like a giant microphone, to track and record vibrations in the earth. At the heart of each station is a seismometer. The cave protects the sensors against extreme cold that in winter drops to -40 degrees Celsius. Scott Dodd has come to replace the old sensors, once used by the British to eavesdrop on the Soviets.
This actually is a remnant of the Cold War, and it was to keep tabs on the Soviets and their nuclear tests and whatnot. And so this site was selected because it's on obviously very old, competent bedrock, and it's north, so the signals from the Soviet would just travel across the Arctic over this way. And so basically that's how it was established originally, until it got a new purpose as far as for the Test Ban Treaty.
Our mandate is to look for nuclear explosions, so we are interested in global seismology. We look at distant events, very small magnitude, distant type events, and this seismometer is ideal for recording such type events.
The new broadband sensor is so sensitive it can uncover small explosions from half a world away. Yellowknife's high latitude stretches the days. 18 hours of sunlight means the team works late into the evening. It's an entirely different picture in winter. There's a problem at the Red 8 station that Ross needs to check out.
Yeah, this is the original vault. It's kind of hard to see, but there's a couple of inches of ice on the bottom. This is from water in fall leaking in or throughout the early part of winter and then freezing.
The ageing equipment is well past its design life. The rusting radio towers that transmit the data will also be replaced. But the biggest challenge, power. Fred Murphy navigates across frozen lakes to reach the stations. The propane fuel is heavy, so is the vehicle that carries it. Refuelling the tanks can only be done in winter when the ice is at its thickest to hold the weight.
Yeah, then we pump for like half an hour or 45 minutes, fill the tank.
As part of the upgrade, solar energy will power the sites.
The solar power supplies now should be very reliable and hopefully run without propane or little propane, which of course is good for the environment, and very efficient green power will be used.
It's taken almost 2 years to upgrade the 20 sites. Now one of the final radio towers is installed. The hard work pays off. The signal flows into the central recording facility. In less than 5 minutes, it's transmitted to Ottawa and then on to analysts in Vienna.
So this is a proof that the station which was installed today is sending data. Definitely we know that the installation was successful, so it's a good feeling.